In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use face filters on Google Meet video calls. Adding a touch of fun or professionalism to your virtual meetings has never been easier, and by the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to do just that. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Google Calendar. This is where your scheduled meetings are typically listed, making it an ideal starting point for joining any upcoming calls. Once there, find the specific meeting you'd like to join. Depending on how your calendar is set up, this could be a meeting you've scheduled or one you've been invited to. Click on the event details and you'll notice a button labeled Join with Google Meet. Clicking this button will launch the Google Meet interface. As the Google Meet window opens, you'll see a preview of your video feed. From here, you'll need to click on Join Now to actually enter the meeting room. Don't worry though, even when joining a meeting, you still have time to adjust your video settings, including adding face filters. Once you're in the meeting, you're going to see a few controls at the bottom of your screen. Look for the three-dot icon. This is your gateway to additional options. Clicking this icon will bring up a menu, and from the listed options, you'll want to select More Options. Upon selecting More Options, you'll see a new menu pop up with various enhancements you can make to your video call environment. Click on Backgrounds and Effects. This is where things start to get really interesting because here, you can see all the extras Google Meet offers to enhance your video call experience. Now, within Backgrounds and Effects, you'll need to find and click on Filters. It's located alongside options for background blurs and virtual backgrounds. Once you click Filters, you'll be presented with a variety of face filters that Google Meet has to offer. Take a moment to browse through these filters. They range from subtle and professional enhancements to fun and playful appearances. When you find a filter you like, simply click on it to apply it to your video feed. You'll be able to see how this filter looks in the preview of your video window, allowing you to decide if it suits your meeting's tone. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to boost your Google Meet video calls with face filters, whether it's to liven up the meeting atmosphere or simply to add a bit of flair to your virtual appearance. Have fun experimenting with different filters and enjoy your more animated video meetings.